Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today I will be fixing my transmission. The low gear has given out, so when I'm driving the car it just skips and then do a revolution and then skips over the tooth that is broken. So I will do a upgrade and change every gear to a metal gear inside the transmission to make the longevity better. And when I have completed the change, I will come back and talk about what's the tricky part and what do you have to do to make the same. So let's montage. Now I have changed all the gears. The only thing is the big ring gear doesn't fit. The hole is too small for the shaft that it's going through. And here you see it's like it needs a bearing to work on the outside of the case. But there isn't any bearing included, so I don't know if the 124 scaled transmission have the bearing on the case lid or not, I don't know. But I have changed all the gears and the shifting mechanism works between low gear, neutral and high gear. So now I will install the transmission and motor and try it out. So I will come back when I have mounted everything inside the car, because that's straightforward. It's just 4 screws and connect the connections. And like that, the transmission is installed again. Now we will try and see if we got it right or if we made it worse. So now, steering, the high gear, low gear, One thing is that with the metal gears it's a lot more noisy. But that doesn't matter. And here you have the neutral and then the high gear. And then the low gear. Yeah, so the noise you can live with if you have 2 gears instead of 1. So I would say this was a success, and if you want to order, it's a C3062. It was advertised as a gear set for the LC80, and all the gears fitted besides the big ring gear that is for ball bearing or a bearing or a bushing, but it wasn't included. So I used the stock plastic ring gear and all other metal gears in the transmission. So I think the durability of the transmission will be a lot better now, and I don't have to be afraid of the low gear breaking again. And if you liked the video, hit the like button, subscribe for more RC builds and reviews, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!